गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम स्टैटिस्टिकल असिस्टेंट 2018 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। पहले हम जीके के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 121, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज द ओल्डेस्ट डायनेस्टी ऑफ इंडिया? ए मौर्य। जो मैं आपको आंसर्स बता रही हूँ वो अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑफिशियल आंसर की हैं। चरक was the famous court physician of D. Kanishk. The rock-cut temples of Mahabalipuram were built under the patronage of the C. Pallava kings. Where did the traveller Ibn Battuta come from? D. Morocco. The kingdom of Vijayanagar was founded by D. Harihar and Buka. Geet Govind, the famous poem, was written by D. Jaydev. Jizya was reimposed during the reign of D. Aurangzeb. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? B. Warren Hastings. Permanent settlement was a feature of a zamindari system. The founder of All India Muslim League was D. Salimullah Khan. Which one of the following offices is held during the pleasure of the President of India? C. Governor of a state. Who will decide the office of Prophet? B. Parliament. How many types of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court? C. 5. Which one of the following states does not have a bicameral legislature? B. MP. Which of the following subjects lies in the concurrent list? B. Education. How much of the Earth's land surface is desert? C. 1/3. Oceanic waves caused by an earthquake are known as D. Tsunamis. The deepest ocean of the world is D. Pacific Ocean. The ozone layer protects us from D. Ultraviolet rays. The westerlies have their origin in B. Subtropical highs. Which one of the following is not a grassland? D. Selvas. Iron is extracted from B. Hematite. Which of the following is a tribal group of Africa? C. Fula. Park Strait lies between A. India and Sri Lanka. India is the largest producer and exporter of C. tea. Light year is a unit of C. light. Which is the fastest mode of heat loss? B. Convection. The quality of a musical note depends upon D. its harmonic content. Optical fiber works on the principle of A. total internal reflection. Which of the following is an element? D. Silicon. In atomic reactors, graphite is used as C. moderators. Soap is sodium or potassium salt of D. all of these. Stearic acid, oleic acid, palmitic acid. Which of the following is responsible for blue baby syndrome? B. Nitrate. Curd is sour due to presence of B. lactic acid. Opium is extracted from poppy in the form of C. latex. Wilting of plants occur due to excessive B. transpiration. Smallest bird is B. hummingbird. क्वेश्चन नंबर 158 से करंट अफेयर के क्वेश्चन है 161 तक, वो हम नहीं डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 162 से हिमाचल जीके के क्वेश्चंस हैं। द लेक चंद्रताल इज इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ हिमाचल? डी. लाहौल स्पीति. द चूड़धार माउंटेन रेंज इज इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ HP? A. सिरमौर. The Bhima Kali temple is in C. Sarah. The Gandhi murder trial was held in Shimla in the building known as A. Peterhof. Question number 166 to 168 English की questions हैं. Antonyms of the word augment is B. Decrease. Meaning of the idiom put one's foot down is C. To be firm about something. Here is a document that dash your signature. C. Bears. Here is a document that bears your signature. आंख मूंदना मुहावरे का अर्थ है डी. मर जाना. शुद्ध शब्द है सी. अभ्यंतर. अब हम सब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. एन इनकम डिमांड कर्व for an inferior commodity slopes C upwards to the right. Demand for elasticity is elastic because B. It has alternative uses. A good whose demand by a consumer fall with the rise in income of that consumer is called B. Inferior goods. Which of the following are the techniques of measuring elasticity of demand? D. All of these. Total outlay method, arc method, point method. Cross elasticity of complementary goods is A. Negative. The demand for life-saving drugs is B. Inelastic. If a demand for a product is said to be elastic, the value of elasticity coefficient is B. greater than 1. The law of increasing returns is only applicable to agriculture according to A. Classical school. The concept of consumer surplus was introduced and developed by D. Alfred Marshall. Cardinal utility measurement is required in B. Utility theory. Law of increasing and constant return are temporary phases of A. Law of variable proportion. Bilateral monopoly refers to the market situation of D. None of these. The demand curve facing a perfectly competitive firm is B. Downward sloping. The market period supply curve for perishable commodity is B. Perfectly inelastic. Which one of the following is not the characteristic of oligopoly firm? C. One firm. The profit-seeking monopolistic operates at a level of output where C. MR is equal to MC. A group of firms that gets together to make price and output decision is called C. A cartel. Average fixed cost C. decreases with increase in output. The competitive equilibrium leads to C. firm producing at the minimum cost. Which of the following is an implicit cost of production? C. Interest on owned money capital. If the supply curve remains constant and the demand increases, the price will A. increase. A histogram is constructed from a frequency distribution and is B. two-dimensional. If the sample size increases, the sample error A. decreases. Which of the following can be calculated for grouped data with open-end classes? D. Both B and C. Median mode. Arithmetic mean and harmonic mean includes all values of data set in its calculation. A. True. This person measures A. the scatteredness of a set of observations. Which of the following measure of the central tendency may not be contained in the observation? A. Mean. Mode can be used as central location for C. Both A and B. Qualitative, quantitative. Object of median is to see both A and B. Fix a representative value. Establish a dividing line separating the higher from the lower values. Range is useful for C both A and B. Quality control of product. Studying the fluctuation in financial and share markets. Mode quantitatively describes C fashion or trend of the period. Coefficient of range can be calculated as C L minus S upon L plus S. Arithmetic mean of a group of 100 items is 50 and of another item is 150 items is 100. What will be mean of all items? C 80. Standard error of mean is defined as a standard deviation of the sampling distribution of mean. Given average mean is 20 and mode 18, find out median A 19.33. Type 1 error is denoted by A alpha. Chi-square is to be applied only when the individual observation of sample are B independent. Probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is true is called A type 1 error. For 2 into 3 contingency table, the degree of freedom for testing the hypothesis is A6. F test is a variance test. Inventory includes all of these. D. Raw material, goods in progress, finished good. Organizations can adapt to environment fluctuations by A. Forecasting. The transfer of assets from public sector to the private sector is preferred to as A. Privatization. Which of the following is not an instrument of monetary policy? A. Deficit financing. When did Foreign Exchange Regulation Act (FERA) come into being? A. 1973. The popular route of privatization of public enterprises in India has been A. Disinvestment. Which of these are not required for a promissory note? A. Acceptance. Select the odd one out in relation to users of accounting informations. A. Debtors. Which of the following is conclusive evidence of partnership? B. Mutual agency. Goodwill in a partnership firm can be valued at the time of D. All of these. Admission, retirement, death. Which of the following item is not taken in profit and loss appropriation accounts? C. Provision for taxation. No company can buy back its equity share if D. All of these. Partly called shares, partly paid shares, defaulting company. Minimum number of members in case of private company is B. 2. Balance in discount on issue of debentures is known as C. Assets side. Which one of the following cost would not be termed as product cost? A. Administrative salaries. Which of the following is not a cash outflow? A. Increase in creditors. Increase in the amount of creditor result in B. Increase in cash. The ratio for testing immediate solvency is B. Liquidity ratio. All managerial functions are settled by managers with the tool of decision making. Which of the following is not element of delegation? D. Informal organization. Good qualities of a leader include D. All of these: physical feature, initiative, integrity. A product can be an D. All of these: good service idea. Marketing mix includes D. All of these: product mix, service mix, promotional mix. Think global, cut local is true in case of B. Local marketing. Which of the following examples is not a demographic variable? C. Lifestyle. The number of version offered of each product in the line is known as a product line depth. Which of the following is not one of most common pricing objectives? C. Cost per thousand. Which of the following is not a tool of sales promotion? B. Free gifts. What is ignored in profit maximization? C. Time value of money. The rate of dividend of preference shares is decided at the time of A. Issue. Transaction cost include A. Brokerage. Cost of depreciation fund is the B. Opportunity cost. Capital structure represents D. Assets and liabilities. Operating cycle can be shortened by increasing B. Duration of credit available. Combined leverages is a percentage change in relationship between sales and B. Earning per share. Use of fixed interest securities in the capital structure is called B. Financial leverage. Sensitivity analysis is performed to a certain risk. A. Investment in machine required. B. Long-term finance. If NPV is positive, product is A. Accepted. Training and development refer to the total structure on the job and off the job training system used by B organization. A condition of stagnating in one's current job is called plateauing. B. In central tendency, raters rate practically all employees A above average. The first bank established in India was B. Bank of Hindustan. When was Reserve Bank of India nationalized? C. 1949. Rural Infrastructure Development Fund is maintained by B. NABARD. The first development financial institution of India was BIFCI. Which of the following is also known as World Bank? BIBRD. Which of the following is a hard reserve currency? C. Both A and B. US dollars, Italy, lira. Under accrual basis of accounting, transactions are recognized and recorded A. when they occur. Which securities can be investor invest in? D. All of these: shares, debentures, mutual funds. The headquarters of National Stock Exchange is in C. Mumbai. Out of the following, which expense is not an admissible expense? C. Income tax. Which of the following is not a prime number? B. 21. A contractor completed 5/9 of a job before a second contractor completed an additional 1/3. What fraction of the job is left undone? A. 1/9. 2p square minus 15p plus 25 is equal to A. bracket start, p minus 5 bracket close, 2p minus 5 bracket close. Profits in the partnership of Bess, Bill, Bose are shared in the ratio 1:2:3. If Bill's share of the profits is rupees 300, what is Bob's share? B. Rupees 450. Which of the following is a subset of bracket B, C, D bracket close? A. Null set bracket. The value of 5 in number 357.21 is C. 5 tens. In coordinate geometry, the equation of x-axis is b y is equal to 0. 3x minus 4 bracket start x plus 6 is equal to b minus x minus 24. Which of the following is the highest common factor of 18, 24 and 36? A. 6. Question 102. If minus 2 greater than minus 1 upon 2 x greater than 4, then D. 4 greater than x greater than minus 8. Items bought by a trader for rupees 80 are sold for rupees 100. The profit expressed as a percentage of cost price is C. 25%. Given that A and B are integers, which of the following is not necessarily an integer? C. B. A. How many subsets does the set bracket start A, B, C, D, E bracket close have? D. 32. What is the value of y in the sequence 2, 7, 14, 23, 34? Y. C. 47. A man regular pay is rupees 3 per hour up to 40 hours. Overtime is twice the payment for regular time. If he was paid rupees 168, how many hours overtime did he work? A. 8. The number 0.0417 in standard form is C. 4.17 into 10 minus 2. A man bought a shirt at a sale. He saves rupees 30 on the normal price when he paid rupees 120 for the shirt. What was the percentage discount on the shirt? A. 20. The bases and heights of a cylinder and a cone are the same. The volume of the cylinder is V centimeter cube. What is the volume of the cone in centimeter cube? B. 1 upon 3 V. What is the simple interest earned on rupees 10,000 invested for 3 months at a rate of 5% per annum? B. Rupees 125. The perimeter of a rectangle is 26 centimeter. The rectangle is converted to a square by tripling the width and taking a quarter of the length. What is the perimeter of the resulting square? B. 12 centimeter. If an increase of 20% will change the price of an item to rupees 480, what is the original price of the item? B. Rupees 400. The sum of the percentage frequency for all classes will always equal D. 100. A numerical value used as summary measure for a sample, such as sample mean, is known as C. Sample statistics. Question number 116. And not equal to 61,549 is an example of a population parameter. In a 5-number summary, which of the following is not used for data summarization? D. The 25th percentile. Since the mode is the most frequency occurring data value, it D. None of these. The mean of a distribution is 14 and the standard deviation is 5. What is the value of coefficient of variation? D 35.7. The sum of deviations about the mean is always C 0. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू।